frequency 118.902. Advise on initial contact, information Foxtrot.
F for Fox.
Bay International Airport, information Foxtrot, 1953 Zulu weather. Wind 320 at 10, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature -4, dew point -16, altimeter 3053. Runway 33 in use, expected visual approach. Emitter active for details and forecast, contact flight service monitor high walls. Bangalore approach control frequency 118.902. Advise on initial contact, information Foxtrot.
And Bangor ground, this is Skyhawk November 2459er Victor on the GA ramp by the D hangars. We can get taxi for departure. We have information Foxtrot will be going up to the north around Pushoff.
Cessna 2459er Victor, Bangor ground. Departure frequency 118.902, squawk 0270.
0270 for Cessna 59er Victor.
59er Victor, thank you. Runway 33, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi Alpha to runway 33. And do you want us, since Bravo's closed, you want us to cut behind the airlines there?
You can use down by Juliet if you'd like.
We'll do that.
South end.
All right, we'll take Juliet towards Alpha for 500 Victor. Well, we'll go as far as we can.
And Yankee Romeo Tango Romeo Quebec is ready for departure.
Yes, sir. Continue to the runway and hold short.
Roger, we'll call.
Cut over. Well, now follow.
It's kind of falling over to the edge here. Just the way the airplanes are.
How about Juliet?
Is there a space shot at that one? Yes.
10,000 feet available from Juliet.
Okay, so appreciating Juliet.
Yes, sir. Yankee Romeo Tango Romeo Quebec, Bangor Tower, runway 33 at Juliet. Fly runway heading clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, climbing 6,000 and fly runway heading runway 23.
Cut over to the actual taxiway line
Yankee
here.
Romeo Tango Romeo Quebec.
Tango Romeo Quebec, initial altitude on the Bangor 1 is 10,000. Maintain 10,000.
Okay, we'll maintain 10,000.
Alright, cabin doors. Mine's locked. You're locked. Good. Alright. Flight controls free and correct. Up, down. Up. Down. And the wiggly tail bit, it looks good. There's just no red X's. And the fuel quantity gauge looks good. Altimeters, the altimeter was 3053. One outer knob, 3053. We'll set this one, 3053. And 3053. Because there are way too many of those. Altimeter. The right flight instruments, level, good, 0. Fuel quantity, verify, was good. Alright, so mixture, we'll go forward. Fuel filter valve, we check both. Autopilot, here we go. There's autopilot on. Verify that it's overriding. Indeed it is. And that I can override it. Autopilot disconnect. So that this first autopilot. That did indeed disconnect.
Then I'll refer to one on the Oak.
Then it does this one.
Lima Bangor Tower, roger.
We'll do,
Are you inbound or land, or are you still doing work?
we do, actually I'll do this as well.
5 Lima, roger. Just advise when you're ready to be inbound for the runway.
Autopilot.
To be in your way in the
Check the trim switches.
32015, the altimeter is 3053.
The PT check.
What?
The PT check.
Yep. And we'll do, yeah, and that works, and that works. Works.
The one that says if you push that one and verify the PT light on the right switch.
I didn't see that.
It's on there. Just push and hold. Push and hold. Push and hold.
Alright, now we do the ramp. Last area clear. The 1800. This enough for government work. Hardly a drop on the left. Hardly a drop on the right. And they're within each other. Set on 3,000 as well. Big flaps, they put those up. Down windows are closed. Heat, no need today, strobe lights, strobe, the taxi. Turn the lane right though, and brakes release. We are all set for takeoff. And Bangor Tower, this is Skyhawk, November 2459er Victor on Alpha, ready to depart runway 33 to the north, going to push off.
2459er Victor, Bangor Tower, hold short.
Hold short, runway 33, 59 Victor.
Coming in?
Yep.
Aircraft?
I think it's at the search and rescue plane that was taking off, tweaking the one we were getting ready.
Oh yeah. Look at how slow they can go. He can take off. He can get off on Juliet probably. Oh, little. Not bad. I hear what they're.
Lima, disable right at Juliet, this frequency to the ramp.
Juliet, this frequency to the ramp, 58 Lima.
Oh, I never put in the.
2459er Victor, runway 33, clear for takeoff, fly heading 020.
Takeoff runway 33, fly heading 220 was the heading?
020.
020 for 59er Victor, and clear for takeoff runway 33.
Cap flight 1720, runway 33, clear to land, traffic taking the runway for departure is the Cessna.
Cap 1720, clear to land 33, see the traffic. 020. Alright. Set. We are all set. Here we go. Alright, looks good. Airspeed's alive. PR. Ready to VUI and we're off. Trim to relieve control pressure. But she climbs good today. And we're off. Being 020. Oh. Alright, and we'll start my turn right about now.
Victor, contact departure.
Contact departure for 59er Victor. Have a good day.
You too.
Bangor departure. This is Skyhawk November 2459er Victor. Climbing through 1,200 for 3,000, headed to push off.
2459er Victor, Bangor departure. Radar contact. Proceed on course. Push on. Just doing air work. Or are you landing?
We were doing some air work now, push on, then going to Old Town, and then returning to Bangor in about an hour or two.
59 Victor, roger.
Alright, let's try this fancy autopilot. That's in roll mode. Red heading. And then we will arm the altitude. And vertical speed of 600 is pretty good. Huzzah! I'll turn that off. Go for it. I'll hear you anyway. Yep. I got the strobes on. Those are all good. All good. Eye out for traffic. Altitude. How's it to go? And you left or right? Any preference? All right.
Both, or just, but not at the same time.
let's get a flat spin going. All right, we'll do one to the left. Traffic. The power.
40
Bring back and twist to relieve control pressure. All right, when did you want me to roll out on?
due north.
Okay, we'll do 360. Looking for traffic. There's 45. Gaining a little bit of altitude. There we go. There we go. That's better. That was not enough rudder. Oh, that's more like it. 60 degrees, 30 degrees, and roll out. Back on north.
Try this one. Let's try merger stall. So let's go ahead and add some power, but pull back until you stall.
Okay, do you want to do flat prep?
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to get out of that one.
Nose down just a little for the flap, so
Yeah.
it's stalled.
Get out of that way.
Okay, now then you can go ahead and add some power and pull back, once we
Alright.
back until it stalls. Just keep
losing altitude.
Alright, that's roughly a stall.
not too much on the nose, we don't want to lose any altitude. All you need to do is just get down enough to start picking up airspeed.
Airspeed's back, power back a little bit.
I didn't have a very definite stall, did it?
No, I was waiting for it to break, and it kind of just sat there, and the altitude started falling, so we were definitely falling, but it never broke.
And due north.
Okay, let me recover back to my...
We'll try another one with some flaps and make it a landing also.
Those always break really good.
So just keep this altitude since we got it, we don't have to come back down. And the next one will be, we'll fit some full flaps on and down, just kind of keep the altitude there.
Alright, so right there. Alright, so we'll do, do you want to do
Just flaps, yeah.
Okay, so we'll, maybe we'll airspeed before I put that 10 degrees in.
Losing altitude.
Sure, we'll do 3200. Alright, so 3200, I'll be our target. Alright, power back a little more. We're going to land in the middle of the air.
Well, just go ahead and do full flaps and just, just try to hold this altitude until it stalls.
Alright, 30 degrees flat. It's still... There we go.
Not too much on the nose. All you got to do is just, like I say, level it. So the nose doesn't really have to go much below the horizon. So we'll try it again this time. Just enough to get the thing pulled, then you get the flaps out. So it's
a little less on the nose now.
Yeah, but it's not, it didn't take much to get it flying again. So, yeah, you want to keep as much altitude as you can, because the idea is you're close to the ground. And
right, you don't want to, nose it down that much, you'll put her into the trees.
Yeah.
Alright, so you will power off. We're trying to maintain altitude because we're foolish pilots.
Yeah, we're trying to maintain altitude with the yoke instead of the power.
No, up it doesn't feel right. There she goes. Not so much. Oh.
Losing altitude.
Set up 20.
There we go.
Cut to 10.
BY, you might as well. Alright, the airspeed's already way on up there, so
we want to get up there.
the rest of the flaps off now. Try to get away from the ground, big tree.
Alright, we'll do a shallow return here. And I need to get closer to it. There's a little bit of... I will lower that. Altitude.
500 Victor, make approach, bring altimeter 3055.
3055 for 500 Victor.
I was wondering, why are you coming down so low?
A sharp return here, I moved it. A little bit of altitude. Okay, there we go. Now, steeper. Okay, now I'm on the point. There we go. Power. At the same spot in the window. There we go. Altitude. And Bangor approach. This is Skyhawk 245 Niner Victor. 245 Niner Victor. Yeah, we're going to be heading into Old Town to do some practice landings and possibly some approaches over there, and then heading back to Bangor. Do you have the altimeter?
No, current altimeter Bangor is 3055. I don't have the one for Old Town, but you just want to do all the approaches on your own?
That's perfect, sir. And 3055 for the altimeter. Thank you.
And November 245 Victor. Roger, you can keep that current squawk code. Just advise me when you'd like to come inbound to Bangor, and radar service terminated. Frequency change is approved.
All right, we'll hold the squawk. Radar service terminated. Frequency change approved, and we'll talk to you on our way back to Bangor for 5 Niner Victor. And Old Town traffic. Skyhawk 245 Niner Victor is going to be overflying the field, and we'll be entering a left downwind to runway 30 at Old Town.
Belfast traffic, Cessna 18173 is turning left base for 33, Belfast.
Alright, time out is 1,200 here, if I recall correctly.
I guess. You know, I thought Kim Hodgson, he always does 1,100, but... yeah. I think it's like about 100 and something feet, so you can call it either way.
We'll just ballpark in between, then whoever's happy. Everybody or nobody's happy. Alright, so double check everything, we are all good. And Old Town traffic, Skyhawk 245 Niner Victor, run a little left downwind, runway 30 at Old Town. We'll be landing 30. Up on the power. So we go out a little farther, so I'll be a little higher, so I'll be a little more over that old tree area.
Oh, you got some target airspeed here.
85, which I'm not on. And Old Town traffic, Skyhawk 5 Niner Victor is turning left base, runway 30 at Old Town. And we'll cut it down to 75. Get 15 notches flaps in. Final is clear. A little high, but that's good. That's what we want. And Old Town traffic, Skyhawk 5 Niner Victor is turning final runway 30 at Old Town. Little fast. There we go.
Airspeed here.
Yep. Trim back there.
What's your target airspeed?
65. Right, there we go. That's about right. That 30 degree flap will dump us down into 65. A little high, but that is okay. The poppy, like the NOTAM said. Start 65. Grab it in. The little wind we got. Little airspeed.
Too bad. That was nice, I was just kidding.
And Old Town traffic, Skyhawk 245 Niner Victor is going to be taking off runway 30 at Old Town, remaining in the pattern. Alright, we'll slowly advance our power. With max power, brakes off. And waiting for that 56. Moving ground effect, and we're up and away. Flaps up. Oh, my bad. That should have. VX, and we're clear of the 50-foot obstacle, so up to VY. Come on, VY. There you go. VY. To relieve control pressure. There we are.
Belfast traffic, Cessna 18173 is turning left.
You don't want to approach your speed at, you want to look that one up on your GPS?
Well, yeah, I will.
Anyways.
Alright, yeah, give the plane. And, so it's be a landing. 65 to 75, flaps up, 61 until flare. So we want to do 61 on the way down. Alright, there's our, the numbers, power back, 10 degrees flat.
Belfast traffic, Cessna 18173 is turning final for 33, Belfast.
And Old Town traffic, I have 5 Mount Victor is turning left base, runway 30 at Old Town.
Traffic in the Florenceville area, Fox Romeo Yankee Sierra, the Learjet, 20 miles to the west of Florenceville. Landing Florenceville runway 36, 5 minutes, conflicting traffic, please advise.
Lawrenceville?
Well, I think that's Lawrenceville, but
I've never even heard of that.
I don't know. It must be
Or something. You're correct. And Old Town traffic, Skyhawk 5 Mount Victor is turning final, runway 30 at Old Town. That was a little soon. Roll forward this time.
with a short field. One tip is to don't come in high, come in kind of low, so you're adding power to get your airspeed.
You kind of want to pull it in a little bit.
If you're adding power to get your airspeed, then you're kind of in slow flight.
Right. So this is where slow flight comes into play.
Again, just try not to move it that too much.
Yeah.
You don't have to do much to it.
A gentle damper movement. There's our 61. So that's pegged. That's a pretty good.
Full flaps now, yeah.
Yeah, full flaps.
Flights, you have the poppies?
I have the poppy, yeah.
Well, if I got an odd number there.
That's good enough. It's pretty bright. This only one only has medium intensity anyway.
I thought it was brighter when I did 5, it came down.
Yeah. Alright, so we will.
One here, just pull the power back to get low and then add the power back to
We'll drag her in.
get in. Yeah, I know.
There's a small run, that's a little too slow.
Just add a little power. How you doing, Mike? Brakes, brakes. There you go. So kind of the goal here is to make it by that turnoff, and you did fine.
Hey! I'll be happy with that considering I haven't done that in a while.
Yep.
Any advice? Anything I did?
No, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Like I say, the main thing that people do is they might have some air, the airspeed
You really want to...
still pretty high, so, it's hard to just get rid of that.
Traffic, maintenance vehicle, we're going to be right here on the old runway. We'll be clear of all the runways.
Alright, we have you in sight. We'll be back taxiing runway 30 for takeoff again. This is Skyhawk 2459 Victor at Old Town. Southfield, we want to keep, obviously I wouldn't have stopped, keep the pressure off the nose wheel. And Old Town traffic, Skyhawk 2459 Victor is going to be taking off runway 30 at Old Town.
Technically, if that wasn't real Southfield, one thing we would have done is probably not parked right there. We probably would have run into it not without stopping.
Brake ground defense, there we go, and we're up. Right, now there's VX, that's good enough, come on, there you go. Up, and accelerate to the UI, there we are. Get trimmed back, get all those trees.
So let's see, we got that one. What's our next altitude?
780.
And after that?
And after that it is down to the missed approach point, which is the decision, or the minimum jump. Whoa, where's the lot more sensitive down here? Way off.
60 Unicom, 60 Unicom, bearing 5455, back on there.
There we go.
780
miles, southwest.
780, correct.
Okay.
There's my... Alright, that's better. Heading, that's what I want to hold right there. 100, let's go down a little bit. We need to level off here. Did a little too fast. Oh.
There we go. Last time they didn't come up, I said, well, surely I'd see.
Alright, there we go. Now we can go down to like 600 minutes.
We got another 100 after that last one, huh? Wait.
Alright, when do you want me to pull off these toggles?
Just go ahead.
18173,
Down to 600? Alright, minimum.
Losing altitude.
There we are.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get 12. Do you want to land or do you want to go?
Yeah, you can land if you want.
Alright, well, of course. Yep.
Up to you. Oh, well, I was guarantee there's no critters on the runway. Right. Boat lights on.
Yep, lights are on. Now let's put that taxi too. Don't get any forward light. Right, down to 20 degrees flaps. And Old Town traffic, Skyhawk 245 Manor Victor is short final runway 30 at Old Town. Get back on here. That's useful.
It turns red when you're crashing. Yep.
Alright,
Happy's here, so let's say, well,
we'll keep her, I got about 200 or 300 for these trees, but, we got plenty of runway. We'll just hold her right here, 65, nice and gentle. Someone else is playing with the lights.
okay.
Alright, I've cleared the obstacles, runway is made, mixture is all good for landing. A little high, but that's what we wanted to do. Those landing lights are dim. Oh, that was too fast. Where is the runway? I can never find it from this direction. I see the beacon, and I see...
Yeah, don't head to the left of the beacon so you can make them better final.
Yeah,
Of course, the end of the runway, you know, a little bit to the runway, I think it's a little bit to the left of it. The taxi lights kind of coming around the end there.
Alright.
Actually, I think that's the end of the red ones.
Yeah, I see the blue
Traffic on,
yep, on yeah, the road to go to Hammond. Okay, I see where we are. Yep, and I see the lights now. Alright, final's clear. Alright, 85, we'll go down to 20 on the flaps. It's about 75 knots. That's a huge runway. Oh, we're high. So power. I'm dumping all the hots right now. Slow us up a bit.
Minimum.
It's outside air temperature, let's see,
20, 21. There we go.
there it is, yeah. Wondering how cold to be when I open the door.
Not too much different than what we got in. And
Maybe a little less windy though.
maybe a little bit. There's one red. Oh, let's see. Some power in, otherwise we'll taxi down half the runway. Right down by Bravo. No, that's, what is that? Juliet? Lima. That's Lima. Wait. Or Kilo. Kilo. Yeah. Okay. 65. Well, it's going to be hopefully a nice cruiser. But there's no wind. Power off. Power down. Oops, too much. There we go.
Ground ready to go.
So we want, oops, nope. Nope.
5950, turn right next taxiway, taxi to Kilo, and you can taxi to the ramp, veer straight ahead through the terminal area.
Alright, turn right next taxiway, Kilo, and then through the ramp via the terminal area, 59 Victor.
Have a good night, you're going to remain this frequency.
I remain this frequency, and you have a good night yourself, sir.